Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Thanks for joining me here today. I'm going to share with you my very simple morning routine of what I do before I go to work to keep my waste at an absolute minimum. So let's get started. It all starts early in the morning so that I can get everything done. Wake up and the first thing I like to do is make my bed. For me, I don't know about you, it makes everything run smoothly when my bed is made. Into the shower room I go. And a way of reducing waste in the shower is use some palm oil free soap instead of shower gel, and you can make your toothpaste yourself and use a bamboo toothbrush. When the shower is finished, I like to use a homemade deodorant, pop on my clothes and then head into the kitchen for some hot water and lemon. This is a great way of rehydrating after the night's sleep, and also it flushes through the digestive system. Just make sure that you use a non-plastic straw because lemon juice can damage your teeth. I like to put the remainder of the boiling water into a flask. This just saves you from having to reboil the kettle again, which uses a huge amount of electricity. So this is another little way of just saving a little bit of that. On to breakfast. I'm a big fan of oatmeal all year round. It's really high in fibre, it's economical, it grows here in Ireland, and it is just packed full of nutrition, and it's a great way of also putting extra nutrients on top. Today I'm having some flaxseed for the omegas, some fruit for vitamin C, and some chia seeds for protein. What's great about porridge is that you can mix and match and change around every day, so it adds loads of variety and nutrition. I will then make myself some dinner. Now this is a very simple vegetable curry, and then I will pop it into a food flask that will keep warm till lunchtime. Now if you have a job that gives you fresh free food, then fantastic, but if you don't, in my job it is processed and packaged. So it's much better to bring a nice fresh meal. I like to make my own tea in the morning, and if you're a tea or coffee drinker, instead of buying it out, just make it yourself at home and you can save yourself loads of money and also reduce your waste. This is just some herbs I grow in the garden, nice and simple. And this type of tea container will keep it warm for hours. And that's it. All I do then is pop everything into a canvas bag. You can pop them in your handbag. I just find it a bit easier. I bring a towel and a serviette because there's only paper towels at work. Food flask, I've got my water bottle, I've got my cup of tea and some snacks so I don't have to buy any. And that's it. Off I go on my merry way to work for the day. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you do to save waste in your morning routine. And pop over, say hi on Instagram and subscribe if you would like to join me next week. Until then, have a fabulous week, keep the waste low, and I will see you next time. Bye.